So this has been on my list of things I wanted to make for quite a while. It's a bit quieter at the minute, so I figured let's get the ball rolling. So first off, we've got the router template for the bow tie. I'm probably going to eventually do these as I used to do with 3 different sizes. This is just to test these ones for the first batch, so these are just the sort of medium size. So you can obviously tape that down or tape and glue it down into place on your piece of wood to router the recess out. So there's the little templates there, and then what I've wanted to do is these brass bow ties. So just been playing about with the different finishes. So these are sort of they'll be a sort of light grain finish. These are the sort of more polished, bright polished finish top. So they're going to be the sort of bright finish polished top. And then I played about with some patterns here. Well, I say patterns, feathers. So I've done a couple of feathered ones. Get that in the light so you can see it. But in fairness, I can do any design, pattern, branding, name. You could have anything on there, but it just adds a nice touch. And then this one we went for more of the sort of blackout to make the feathers. Try and get it in focus to make the feathers stand out more. Doesn't want to focus, typical. But yeah, so that's more of the blackout finish. Depends what sort of look you're after. Some people might prefer that dark finish, or you might want to go with the there's lots of different options. So it's just a more subtle, deeper, slightly deeper engraved, so that they stand out a little bit more, but they're a bit more subtle on the brass. But yeah, lots of options. Doesn't have to just be brass. Could do stainless steel. Stainless steel is probably definitely another option. Stainless engraved's nice as well, so that's an option. So yeah, what do you think? Be interested in putting these in your these are more of a, once again, I'm going for the premium product. They're you wouldn't slap these in a bit of MDF, but you put those in a nice bit of oak. You've got a split through there, bit of walnut. That's going to make a nice feature on a table. So yeah, finally got around to trying them. What do you think? You like them? Should I stock them in the store? Let me know.